See, I'm starting recording again. Adi, things
Okay.
are very much simple. Okay. See, what is our today's purpose, na? I should be able to do what exactly? I should be able to keep a title to my letter, that is medical leave. Then I should have a name and address of the person. Then
Sir, you have not shared your screen.
again same problem.
No, sir, your screen share is off
It's not sharing
on
only.
Zoom. Yes, screen is not visible.
Is it now sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, now so basically, what is my purpose? I am to write this letter. बहुत
Hmm.
बार लेटर लिखने का कोशिश किया, ठीक है, ये टाइम लिख लेते हैं. We are just trying to write a letter
Hmm.
where there is a title here. Then I have to keep my date on right side, name of the person to I'm sending to with blue color on left side, subject in the center with red color, and line below it saying dear sir, creating first paragraph, second paragraph, some kind of image. I'm preferring Aishwarya Rai. Then some important points that is dotted. Then my signature and my solution on the right, and some very important note at the bottom, which nobody can see, but just for the sake of technicality or legal advice, I'm writing a small note here. You understood
Hmm.
what we are going to create? Hello, Adi.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, it's okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yeah, now see how I'm going to create it. Things are very much simple. First, I should find something called as to write a document. So I can use Word or I can use WordPad. In accessories, I'll be using WordPad. See, this is WORD Word PAD pad. This is a small tool and small document. So what I do, I first write what that is medical leave. Fine, that is that. Then two, some person's name. I'll be preferring writing mine. I'll be writing your name, Adi. Okay, fine. Staying in Pune, Maharashtra, fine, India. Then writing some date here. I will selecting this, writing date. I will writing some date here. Fine. I will saying date, and I trying to insert a date here. So how to insert a date here? So there's an option called as insert date and time. So I clicked on this. It shows me some
Hmm.
date and time format. I clicked on this and I'm writing date here. If you want time here, you can put a bracket here and insert again something called as only time here. The time is this. Got it? Then I have to write a subject here. So I'm saying SUBJET subject, that is leave later. Fine. Saying dear sir. Fine. That is done. Some paragraph. Fine. Writing these two paragraphs here. अरे ये तो नहीं है, last time का कहाँ पे गया paragraph? So we'll be copying some data from internet source. So copying the same data. Writing these two paragraphs. So writing these two paragraphs. Copying this data. These two paragraphs are copied. Then some
Hmm.
some important points. I'm saying important points. Fine. Saying point one. This is test. Thank you, sir. All is well. Some text points here. Then thanks, Raj. Thanks. Then yours truly. Fine. Saying Raj Burge. Fine. Writing some line here, small dotted line here. Clear?
Hmm.
And then writing some note here. Okay. Please, please pay all payment dues on Monday. Fine. This is something I'm going to write it. Fine. So this is my data
Hmm.
now. And to format it. So what is my normal process? I first type all the data and then try to format it. So what I do,
Hmm.
I selected all data. To select all data, I'll be using Control A just to select all. I'll be preferring this
Hmm.
kind of spaces. I'll be pressing 1 point. 1.0 as a space here, line spacing. Then I'll be coming on the top first. I'll be choosing this increasing font, making it bold, changing the color of it, fine, and taking it to the center. Then selecting the date, making it bold, taking it to the right. Choosing Adi's color, changing some color which Adi likes. It might be blue. Then we selected this all. And we again try to what? Reduce the gap between it. I increase the font size of this. That is done. Subject, I'll be increase font size up to 20, taking it to the center, and then making it underline and making it into red color. Fine. So now to insert an Aishwarya Rai's photo, so I'll be choosing this position here. Fine. And here this option called as picture. So I click on this option called as picture. Fine. Selecting some photo in my drive. D drive, I'll having lot many photos. So I'm preferring this as Aishwarya Rai. Fine. I clicked on this. So Aishwarya Rai is there. I clicked on this. I click this to the center. So I do have some image here. So there are some important points. So I selected all these 3 points, and then I chosen bullets and numbering. I'm choosing this. Fine. When to reduce the gap between that, you can just say remove the gap between that. I want to take this entire data to the right. So I selected, say I first selected this 2. I removed the spaces here. And then I made it bold. I make it little bigger. And then I taken it to the right. Fine. I press here enter where I can properly sign on. And this is the space I'll be utilizing. Okay. Put this. And this is the last note. I selected this last note and try to reduce it so nobody can see it. But there is some note here.
Okay.
Got it? Fine. So this is the general way of writing some kind of business letter. So I'm not teaching you how to write an English letter, but I'm trying to teach you how it is being formatted using Notepad. So this is all.
Okay.
I'm just trying to save it and share the link to you.